Hello and welcome to Sky's the Limit. Sky's the Limit is an online platform and app that helps underrepresented entrepreneurs get started and turn their dreams into reality. And we do this through three key areas. That is our online training, our access to thousands of mentors, and through our startup grants. So now I would love to present to you the winner of our July 2025 pitch event. Without further ado, here is Mechelle. Final pitch presenter today is Mechelle Salley, the founder of Revolutionary SelfCare, which is a wellness company on a mission to help women, families, and organizations prioritize well-being as a foundation for personal and collective growth. So, thank you, Mechelle. Let's give her a warm welcome.
Awesome. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining and using your time today to come with us. I have a question for you. Who here has experienced stress? Who knows of teens who are experiencing stress? Know of someone who has sought help? Well, my name is Mechelle Salley. I'm founder and CEO of Revolutionary SelfCare. Oh, next slide, please. I have a master's degree in counseling psychology and 10 years of experience. I'm also a recovering workaholic and have survived many things. We use these experiences and clinical expertise to empower BIPOC women, youth, and families globally to heal, grow, and thrive. Next slide, please. Did you know 1 in 4 Americans experience mental illness and 40% of youth have depression or anxiety? Next slide, please. Well, here's the problem with trying to address these statistics. There are barriers that disproportionately affect BIPOC communities, which lead to accessibility challenges, lack of cultural responsive care, difficulty finding related providers, and leaving many underserved, perpetuating mental health inequities and poor outcomes. Next slide, please. Our solution, we are accessible, culturally responsive, empowering, relatable, and evidence-based. And we are intentionally cultivating safe, affirming spaces for healing and growth. Next slide, please. So what makes us different? Since 2020, we offer virtual support for both teens and adults. Our prices are low to no cost, and we are intentional about community engagement and partnerships. Next slide, please. One of our services is Yo Self-Care Youth Group. It is a 6-week virtual group serving ages 11 to 17 that gather together online. They engage in fun, interactive activities that focus on rediscovering what brings them joy, setting self-care SMART goals, brainstorming how to overcome setbacks, and discussing how we can celebrate our progress and successes. Overall, we're supporting and empowering them to increase their self-care, self-esteem, and joy. And for safety and working with youth, we always have 2 facilitators at all times, run background checks, first aid, as well as other things our liability insurance requires. Our contract co-facilitator has over 20 years of experience in the field. Our other programs include Revolutionary SelfCare course and FAM Self-Care. Our pricing is very similar to copay costs through typical insurance, and we also offer full or partial scholarships. Next slide, please. Our community commitment is to maintain a 90% client satisfaction rate, continue with program expansion, strengthening and developing new and existing community partners. We currently partner with MySpark Denver, Montbello Organizing Committee, Marvelous Light Coaching, and our newest partner, Denver Delta Inc. Next slide, please. In 1 year, in receiving this grant, we will award 40 plus scholarships, expand our team, grow our digital reach, deepen our community impact, increase revenue to 50K, and empower 1,000 plus individuals. Next slide, please. So here's a breakdown towards our sustainability. 40% of this grant will go towards 10 scholarships for our youth program. 36% will enhance our digital footprint. 8% will strengthen our community partnerships, and 16% will go towards liability, insurance, and fund incentive prizes for our youth. That the for our team expansion is a 40%, 44% overlap, combining a couple of categories together so we can hire a communication partner, communications marketer, uh, and community liaison. Next slide, please. So here's one of our kids. She came in very shy, didn't really engage in school or group, but now she's thriving. She's joined the flag football team, making new friends, and really coming out of her shell. Next slide, please. So this is the main thing. Youth and families smiling, practicing self-care, choosing joy, and thriving in spite of. Next slide, please. So join us in revolutionizing access to health and wellness through revolutionary self-care. Thank you, and what questions do you have?
Hello, and thank you for watching Michelle's pitch. We would love for you to continue following Michelle inside Sky's the Limit so you can join up for free and follow her. And of course, if you have an idea and you would like to pitch, join the platform and enter our monthly pitch competition for your chance to win 2,500. See you there.